London evolves as historic districts merge with ambitious modern projects shaping urban transformation. These developments create homes, jobs, and renewed economic potential. Royal Docks transforms a long industrial waterfront into a dynamic district with housing, business centers, and public amenities. Massive investment drives growth forward. Covering vast land, the redevelopment spans industrial areas now reshaped for mixed-use growth and enhanced community activity. Its long-term impact is substantial. Investments reaching billions support multi-decade regeneration aimed at building a vibrant district with residences, offices, and innovation-focused facilities. Growth strengthens regional development. Tens of thousands of future homes address housing shortages while creating new employment pathways across technology, logistics, science, business, and creative sectors. Extensive commercial areas provide offices, research facilities, and startup spaces supporting innovation-driven enterprises across the emerging metropolitan neighborhood. Business activity will flourish. New transport links boost accessibility with rapid travel routes connecting the district to central zones through modern railway expansion. Connectivity enhances growth. Nearby airport upgrades enhance international appeal, supporting business mobility and strengthening economic attraction for global companies and travelers. Aviation improvements boost progress. Additional road links across the river create strategic connections, expanding access and improving movement through fast-growing eastern districts. Regional mobility significantly improves. Construction progresses in multiple phases, gradually delivering housing, parks, schools, offices, and cultural facilities, shaping a complete urban district. Transformation continues steadily. Long-term benefits include extensive housing supply, expanded employment capacity, rising investment interest, and revitalized neighborhoods once overlooked within the city. Prosperity spreads. Former port landscapes shift into a modern district, promising rapid growth supported by diverse industries and expanding residential communities. Revival continues forward. A vast underground tunnel project modernizes aging infrastructure, addressing sewer overflow challenges that have persisted since the 19th century. Upgrades safeguard London. Stretching beneath the river, the long tunnel extends across the city, reaching deep levels to accommodate massive water flow demands. Engineering complexity increases. The outdated sewer network, built for a much smaller population, struggles with overflow during storms, releasing untreated waste into waterways. Pollution threatens. The upgraded tunnel will drastically reduce sewage discharge, improving river quality, aiding wildlife restoration, and supporting healthier urban living conditions. Waterways recover. Major financial commitments support years of construction, with completion planned to bring long-term stability and resilience for city infrastructure demands. Durability increases. Massive boring machines operate deep underground, where teams coordinate difficult engineering work across numerous sites positioned throughout the city. Construction progresses carefully. This modernization strengthens future readiness, ensuring systems can withstand population growth, heavy storms, and climate-driven environmental pressures facing the city. Infrastructure adapts. Although invisible from the surface, the tunnel stands among the city's most impactful projects, directly supporting health, sustainability, and long-term resilience. Progress. The British Library expansion will double research capacity, adding modern facilities for archives, innovation, exhibitions, and educational programs supporting global scholarship efforts. A new multi-story building will support advanced laboratories, digital research spaces, and extended storage designed to accommodate growing collections and future needs. The project's investment partnership enables major construction, fostering cultural growth and creating long-term roles in education, technology, research, and community engagement efforts. The expanded library integrates with the surrounding district, strengthening connections to thriving knowledge hubs and supporting increased collaboration among researchers across disciplines. The new site will host innovation-focused organizations, forming a hub where science, creativity, and technological advancement converge to shape future knowledge development. Construction will generate many jobs, boosting local economic activity while establishing vital roles supporting long-term research, cultural programs, and operational needs ahead. These enhancements reinforce London's status as a global research leader, offering expanded resources and opportunities that attract international scholars and strategic investment. The expansion transforms the library into a modern center combining historical preservation, scientific advancement, and technological development for the 21st century ahead. Rail expansion proposals extend connectivity deeper into southeastern districts, strengthening transport access for growing communities and supporting development across emerging residential zones. A major new line could cross the river, linking isolated neighborhoods with stronger transit options and stimulating investment throughout underserved regions ahead. Funding decisions will determine the project timeline, potentially allowing construction to begin later this decade and enabling transformative improvements across expanding districts. The system's automated trains offer high efficiency, integrating seamlessly with other networks to reduce congestion and improve daily transportation reliability citywide today. Improved connectivity will support housing development, business expansion, and stronger community integration across areas previously disconnected from essential metropolitan infrastructure and growth. The Transport Initiative stands among the decade's most significant proposals, shaping mobility patterns and unlocking growth potential throughout evolving urban zones today. A new corporate tower in the financial district will become headquarters for a major banking firm, housing thousands of employees across workplaces. The project spans millions of square feet, incorporating sustainable design, advanced systems, and modern amenities supporting productivity, collaboration, and employee well-being within. Thousands of construction roles will arise, alongside permanent positions in finance, technology, and facility management, strengthening the district's economic influence for growth. Public areas, event venues, and retail spaces create a welcoming environment, integrating the tower into surrounding streets rather than isolating its footprint. The tower symbolizes economic momentum, reinforcing London's global financial presence while supporting next-generation work culture and sustainable architectural standards for future growth. Together, these projects reflect a dynamic city advancing through renewed infrastructure, expanded housing, cultural investment, and large developments shaping a stronger identity. London continues advancing through coordinated development where major regeneration efforts revitalize multiple districts and strengthen long-term economic foundations across the metropolis. These expansions modernize infrastructure, new transportation systems integrate previously disconnected neighborhoods, ensuring faster movement, reduced congestion, and smoother travel across growing regions dependent on modern connectivity solutions today. Mobility advances dramatically. Cultural institutions experience growth as investments support innovation, research opportunities, and expanded access, ensuring global recognition for academic leadership across major British knowledge centers today. Progress strengthens influence. Industrial zones transition into thriving mixed-use districts, offering housing, workplaces, recreational spaces, and commercial developments that encourage stable community formation across formerly underutilized areas. Urban life expands. Major infrastructure projects improve resilience, modernizing utilities and preparing the city for population increases, climate impacts, and rising environmental pressures requiring effective long-term solutions. Systems strengthen sustainability. Regeneration supports job creation across diverse fields, including engineering, technology, construction, logistics, education, research, and cultural development, benefiting residents within rapidly evolving districts. Employment opportunities expand. Large corporate developments anchor financial growth, supporting global business functions and ensuring the city remains central to international markets and strategic economic movements. Productivity climbs steadily. Public spaces evolve through new parks, waterfronts, walkways, and cultural venues designed to elevate lifestyle quality and enhance community interactions throughout revitalized districts. Recreation becomes central. Educational hubs expand capacity, supporting advanced learning environments and broad research collaboration with institutions worldwide to strengthen scientific leadership and discovery potential. Knowledge networks grow. Modern engineering projects reinforce safety across essential systems, providing updated networks capable of managing demand increases while reducing environmental risks across the metropolitan area today. Reliability improves significantly. Housing developments address shortages by providing diverse residential options that accommodate populations seeking modern, accessible living closer to workplaces and key urban services. Communities expand quickly. Revitalized waterfronts create dynamic urban destinations, combining leisure, commerce, transport access, and scenic design that attract residents, tourists, and investors throughout the year. Waterfront life flourishes. Advanced technology integration supports digital infrastructure upgrades, enabling efficient services, improved communication networks, and innovative tools that enhance daily life within modernized districts. Connectivity strengthens. Sustainable construction methods reduce environmental impacts by utilizing energy-efficient systems, recycled materials, and modern designs that prioritize long-term ecological responsibility. Green innovation expands. Cultural enhancements attract visitors through new exhibitions, educational programs, creative spaces, and public events that celebrate both historical heritage and modern artistic movements. Engagement increases citywide. Upgraded transit networks integrate buses, rail lines, pedestrian routes, and cycling paths, supporting cleaner transportation options and lowering carbon emissions across busy urban zones. Movement becomes efficient. Strategic development encourages balanced expansion, preventing overcrowding and promoting evenly distributed growth throughout metropolitan regions undergoing rapid transformation and renewed investment. Planning guides progress. Economic zones expand commercial potential by offering modern office spaces, startup incubators, retail districts, and logistics support essential for sustained metropolitan business strength. Commerce thrives continuously. Urban renewal integrates historical preservation with modern construction, ensuring heritage coexists with new architecture while maintaining cultural depth across developing neighborhoods. Identity strengthens. Overall transformation demonstrates a city preparing for future generations, combining innovation, resilience, culture, and technology to build a thriving modern metropolitan environment. Evolution continues onward. Growing districts increasingly emphasize mixed-use planning, combining residential buildings, offices, markets, and cultural venues into cohesive environments supporting diverse community needs. Balanced design expands accessibility. Modern public squares incorporate greenery, event spaces, and pedestrian-friendly routes, improving daily comfort and creating vibrant gathering points across evolving urban landscapes. Social activity rises. Redevelopment districts rely on strong partnerships between designers, engineers, policymakers, and investors coordinating long-term strategies that guide transformation across major metropolitan zones. Collaboration drives progress. Infrastructure resilience increasingly prioritizes flood control, climate adaptation, and efficient utility systems, ensuring districts remain prepared for environmental challenges and future population demands. Protection strengthens reliability. Emerging technology supports emergency response, real-time monitoring, and improved communication networks, creating safer environments for residents throughout newly developed neighborhoods. Urban safety evolves. Green mobility expands through new cycling routes, pedestrian paths, and electric transport options, reducing emissions and supporting healthier, sustainable urban lifestyles for communities. Movement becomes cleaner. Newly designed districts include educational centers, libraries, laboratories, and youth programs, ensuring future generations access knowledge-driven opportunities across growing communities. Learning becomes central. Healthcare access improves through expanded clinics, upgraded medical facilities, and community wellness programs supporting long-term public health within modernizing areas. Care systems strengthen. Public art installations enrich redeveloped zones, offering visual identity, cultural depth, and meaningful community expression, integrated seamlessly into updated urban environments. Creativity becomes visible. Business corridors accommodate startups, global companies, and independent shops, promoting economic diversity while sustaining innovation-driven ecosystems across expanding metropolitan districts. Commerce flourishes widely. Transit-oriented development increases property value and accessibility, clustering housing and workplaces near major stations to streamline commuting and reduce unnecessary travel. Efficiency improves steadily. Reconstructed bridges, tunnels, and key intersections enhance traffic flow, reducing bottlenecks and providing safer travel routes throughout essential metropolitan corridors experiencing rapid growth. Connectivity improves further. Urban greenery expands through planted rooftops, tree-lined avenues, restored riverbanks, and pocket parks, improving air quality and enhancing visual comfort for residents. Nature integrates beautifully. Community amenities, including sports centers, recreation halls, and shared facilities, encourage healthy lifestyles and provide accessible leisure options across redeveloped neighborhoods. Engagement increases widely. Construction innovation boosts productivity using automated machinery, modular buildings, and efficient materials, enabling faster delivery of high-quality developments across rapidly growing districts. Technology accelerates progress. Economic forecasts show rising investment interest as revitalized locations offer competitive opportunities for companies seeking modern offices, strong transport links, and talented workforces. Confidence continues rising. Digital infrastructure enhancements support high-speed networks, secure data systems, and advanced communication technologies essential for competitive business environments within transformed districts. Connectivity reaches new standards. New community-focused layouts prioritize accessibility, aiming to eliminate physical barriers and create inclusive environments accommodating diverse residents across urban spaces. Equity becomes foundational. Improved lighting, clear signage, and safe walkways enhance nighttime activity, supporting social life and encouraging comfortable participation within reimagined city districts. Night mobility improves significantly. Waterfront renewal strengthens ecological balance by restoring habitats, improving water quality, and creating recreational areas that reconnect residents with natural river environments. Sustainability grows deeper. Major corporate towers integrate public amenities, cafes, and event spaces, creating workplaces that coexist with surrounding urban life for better community synergy. Cities thrive holistically. These megaprojects exemplify London's economic resilience, attracting global investment, fostering innovation, and maintaining competitiveness within international financial and commercial sectors continuously. Growth reinforces prominence. Cultural and educational hubs evolve alongside corporate development, providing spaces for learning, exhibitions, research, and creativity accessible to residents, students, and international visitors. Knowledge fuels innovation. Strategic transportation enhancements connect east and southeast districts, ensuring rapid travel, reduced congestion, and improved access for both residents and businesses. Mobility strengthens citywide. Waterfront regeneration combines leisure, commerce, and ecological restoration, creating spaces where people, wildlife, and businesses coexist harmoniously along the Thames riverbanks. Nature and urban life balance. Expanded library and research complexes host innovation centers, digital labs, and exhibition spaces, linking history with cutting-edge technological advancement for global scholarship. Cultural leadership expands. Underground tunnel projects enhance environmental quality by managing sewage overflow, reducing pollution, and protecting river ecosystems for millions of city residents sustainably. Infrastructure safeguards communities. New housing developments provide thousands of modern units, addressing shortages while integrating parks, schools, and public amenities to create fully connected urban neighborhoods. Living standards improve. Corporate skyscrapers like J.P. Morgan Canary Wharf Tower host thousands of employees, offering sustainable offices, integrated commercial spaces, and public event areas supporting economic growth. Business hubs expand rapidly. Public-private partnerships drive urban transformation, combining investment, expertise, and governance to deliver projects that stimulate housing, business, culture, and social development. Collaboration enables progress. Transport, housing, and cultural initiatives form a cohesive citywide strategy, improving quality of life, attracting talent, and supporting sustainable economic growth across London. Urban planning excels. The integration of historic preservation with modern construction creates districts reflecting London's heritage while embracing innovation, technology, and urban livability simultaneously. Balance strengthens identity. Sustainability drives project planning, incorporating energy-efficient materials, green spaces, climate-adaptive systems, and reduced carbon footprints across all major urban developments. Eco-conscious growth prevails. New recreational facilities, parks, and cultural venues provide citizens with spaces for exercise, leisure, and social interaction across all redeveloped districts effectively. Communities thrive socially. Citywide modernization ensures infrastructure, transport, housing, and public spaces evolve together, forming resilient, attractive districts capable of supporting future population growth. Urban resilience strengthens. Innovation-driven projects, including research hubs and technology centers, foster creativity and scientific progress while encouraging collaboration across diverse industries and academic sectors. Knowledge economy expands. Community engagement grows through accessible public spaces, cultural programming, and urban amenities that encourage inclusive participation across all demographics of London. Civic connection deepens. Megaprojects like the Tideway Tunnel, Royal Docks, and Canary Wharf Tower demonstrate London's commitment to long-term growth, sustainability, and global competitiveness. Vision drives transformation. Citywide improvements merge culture, business, transport, and housing into a unified vision, making London more modern, comfortable, and attractive for residents, investors, and visitors alike. Integrated growth succeeds. This transformation illustrates London's ongoing evolution. Historic roots meet 21st century innovation, creating a city prepared for the future while preserving its global significance. The journey continues,